I'm just happy I made it to C25. I'm just happy I made it to C25. I know, I'm happy. For real. I'm a black man and he's a target, you know?
I think they talking behind my back. I feel they do it all thing, but I don't react. I'm focused on ballin'. I made myself my own boss. I'm at Chris several more, and them problems I'm put to solve. They don't know nothing. That's why they steady talking. Mad because I got the sauce, and them bitches they gon' call for that money getting involved, but I don't pay no mind at all. That's why they talking.
They smile in my face, so time and know they wanna take my place. It's a lot of shit they say, when I'm not around, I come around, now they won't say. All these games they play, I got a low tolerance for bullshit I won't say. I'm 25, I came a long way. I'm just happy I'm alive to see this day. No need to hear success, in the end of the day, I know them niggas are fake. Say they love me, but I know it's all haters. No debate, them the ones that are still on my plate. I know how it goes, I ain't tripping, I play my role. The niggas snaking on the low, they try to get me for my dough.
I think they talking behind my back. I feel they do it all thing, but I don't react. I'm focused on ballin'. I made myself my own boss. I'm at Chris several more, and them problems I put to solve. They don't know nothing. That's why they steady talking. Mad because I got the sauce, and them bitches they gon' call for that money getting involved, but I don't pay no mind at all. That's why they talking.
Don't wanna be another statistic. I keep my head up from all the drama and tripping. They steady trying to catch me slipping. They talk but they never listen. You know they got it time. And all I got is my motherfucking pride, baby, I'ma be fine. So worry about yours, I'll worry about mine. Cause when I pull up, it's nothing, I do it. They see it, they know it, they want it. Just stay in your lane. Try to refrain from saying my name. You're tripping for nothing, you don't know a thing. From saying my name, you're tripping for nothing, you don't know a thing.
Behind my back, I feel they do it all thing, but I don't react. I'm focused on ballin'. I made myself my own boss. I'm at Chris several more, and them problems I'm put to solve. They don't know nothing. That's why they steady talking. Mad because I got the sauce, and them bitches they gon' call for that money getting involved, but I don't pay no mind at all. That's why they talking.
Don't listen to what people say. They can run their mouth and say stupid things, but get it out your head. It's jealousy. They don't know a damn thing about you and me, but
who can love you like me? Nobody. Who can give you what you need? Nobody. And who can love you all night long? Nobody, baby.
I think they
I hear them talking.
behind my back. I feel they do it all.
I feel they do it all day.
But I don't react, I'm focused on ballin'. I made myself my own boss. I'm at Chris several more, and them problems I'm put to solve. They don't know nothing. That's why they steady talking. Man, because I got the sauce, and them bitches they gon' call for that money getting involved, but I don't pay no mind at all. That's why they talk. Ain't none of your friends' business. 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 Just let them talk it out. Let them run him out. They don't know nothing about me and you. No,
I think they talk.
ain't none of your friends' business. 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 Just let